Let's turn this Mario art into a cookie. First up is making the dough. The recipe is here on my channel and it's pretty easy and delicious. This cookie was actually my Mario Day Instagram post, so I had to make it look really good. I'm using official Mario art as a template, but it's just for fun and giving to my friends and not for selling. My dough is ready. Let's roll it out and use my template to cut it out of the chilled dough. Since I need Mario on a stick, I pressed a lollipop stick underneath it before baking. Pop it into the oven to bake. Let it cool, and now I'm ready to decorate. For this one, I'm doing a base flood in white. My icing consistency was about a 12-second icing. Let that dry completely before sketching the design on the cookie. I'm using my trusty old-school projector. New ones do exist, but I'm good with this one. It still works for me. Now for the fun and slightly tedious part, filling it in with colored icing. Honestly, getting the right icing consistency is the hardest part. This was about a 15-second icing. I like to let sections dry for a minute or so before piping right next to them so the colors don't run together. Did anyone celebrate Mario Day? It's Mario Day because March 10th spells out Mario. Isn't that fun? I just played games and baked cookies, which is actually what I do most days anyways. Alright, so for some parts of this cookie, I let it dry completely before adding details on top. Face details are always difficult. I found that painting them on after the icing dries gives me the best results. Painting the details was a total game changer for me because I feel like I can be more artistic and get the details as perfect as I want. My Mario cookie is complete. Do you have a favorite Mario game? Let me know in the comments.